Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Ann. We're in Mammee Bay and we are going to give you an update on the construction of the Roaring River Mammee Bay Estate. Now that road you're looking at is a northern coastal highway that takes you to Ocho Rios. That other road you're looking at is a north-south highway that takes you from Kingston to Mammee Bay. And in between those two roads is where the development is going to be done. It's going to be on 160 acres of prime Mammee Bay real estate. Now it's going to consist of 4 multi-story blocks, and each block will have 69 deluxe and standard 3-bedroom units and 200 1- and 2-bedroom units. This is a massive development, and it's being done by China Harbour Engineering Company. Now they are the contractor as well as the owners of the project. They got this land from the Jamaican government in return for building the highway that you see on the right. It was a incentive for them to come to Jamaica to build a highway. Now, China Harbour Engineering Company is one of the largest construction companies in the world. They're in the top 5 in the world. And when they were coming to Jamaica, the government invited them to build a road. The CHEC said to the government, give us 1,200 acres of land. And we want this land specifically, the land that we're looking at now. They specifically asked for this land. So they saw the potential for this area long before the highway was built. Okay, so in essence, they got the land in exchange. The land was never valued, so no value was ever put on the land, but it was given to them towards the $700 million highway to build the highway. And there was a contingency in the agreement. When they gave CHEC the land, they said you have to develop the land in X amount of years. I think it was 25 or 30 years. If you don't develop the land goes back to the Jamaican government. So that's what's happening here. And this development is going to be a luxury development. It's going to have a clubhouse, a pool, a gym, a jogging trail, nature park. When these units go on the market, they are going to be sold out in no time. Because this, as a real estate agent said, this is prime real estate. Within 1 week of these units being put on the market, they should be sold out. So we'll keep you guys updated on this project. And if you notice something when it comes down to these luxury developments, you can tell which ones are going to do well just by where they're located. The Pinnacle in Montego Bay, 4 towers at 28 floors each, should do very well because it's 17.5 acres overlooking the Montego Bay Marine Park or the Marine Reserve. Beautiful view when you look at it. Harmony Cove, they are building a massive hotel in Trelawney. I'm not sure if I don't think the project has started yet, but they're hoping to get it going this year. It's going to have a casino, massive project, and the land overlooks the sea. Beautiful view. You can tell that that's going to do well. And this development is going to do well because of where it's located. Mammee Bay, where 2 main highways meet, you can't beat that. And Mammee Bay is 1 minute away from Draxall, which is the fastest growing community in Jamaica. I mean, they can't build the houses in Draxall fast enough to sell them. Alright guys, we'll keep you updated on this development. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Oh, and this development has created a lot of discussion because there's of some people say it's going to have an impact on the environment, and they had meetings, protests, a lot of discussion happened about around it. But CHEC owns the land and they are moving forward with the development. So we'll keep you updated on everything. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.